been approximately 1 year since the UK was first placed into lockdown, something no one really expected at the time, and while it's not clear when things will get back to some form of normality, everyone has had to adapt to working from home and being indoors more often than normal. So here's what I did and continue to do during this unique time in our lives. Number 1. Everything in excess. In the first month, I did everything in excess, be it ordering takeaway, having a drink. I lost all track of normality. This lasted for about a month, and it wasn't the most healthiest moment of my life. Number 2. Pause and prep. I relaxed, took a deep breath and took stock of the situation. I knew this wasn't going to be over in a month or two. I planned what I wanted to do with all my free time. We're not having to travel to work and my social life being non-existent, I created a to-do list of all those little things I've been holding off on doing. Number 3. Health kit. I got healthy. After so much excess, I took the opportunity of time to eat healthier by cooking more and keeping to a regularly scheduled workout routine. Number 4. Declutter and organize. Now, I didn't really jump into the whole Marie Kondo bandwagon. I didn't say thank you to anything I owned, but I appreciated the idea of taking stock of what you have and really asking yourself if it's something that you need in your life. So during lockdown, I spring cleaned. Everything in my life, from my online presence to all my belongings, I took stock of, and I had a declutter, selling what I could, giving away what I didn't, and paying off my debts with what I earned. My life became a little bit more organized. Number 5. Finances. Lockdown made getting finances under control a little easier, not only due to the money I was making during my decluttering step, but also due to the reduction in spending, brought on by the lack of social activities to spend on and working from home. I got my finances in order, which relieved a lot of pressure and allowed me to start fresh. A lot of what I've done has been long overdue, and what's most important is that all of what I've done has bettered me as a person and made me happier. I'm glad I did it. Even taking things to excess helped me develop a perspective. The challenge now is making sure that once life gets back to normal, and it will, is that all this work I've done does not get undone, and that lies with me and me alone.